Meditation doesn't have to be mystical. It doesn't require chanting, candles, or hours of silence. Meditation is mental training. In the next 10 minutes, I'll guide you through a simple, no fluff, manifestation meditation designed to sharpen focus, calm your nervous system, and align your mind with the results you want. Nothing complicated, just clear steps you can repeat daily. Why meditation works? Think of your mind like a muscle. If you never train it, it reacts to everything. Stress, distraction, fear. But when you train it, you choose where your attention goes. Meditation works because focus creates clarity. Clarity creates better decisions, and better decisions create better outcomes. Manifestation isn't magic. It's alignment between what you think, what you feel, and how you act. Step 1, set up. Sit comfortably. You don't need a perfect posture. Just keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Place your hands on your lap. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. That's it. You're ready. Step 2, breath anchor. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2. Exhale through your mouth for 6. Again, inhale, hold, exhale. If your mind wanders, don't fight it, notice it, and return to the breath. This is the work. Each return is a rep. Each rep builds focus. Step 3, visualization. Now, gently shift your attention. Visualize your goal as if it's already real. See yourself in that reality. Notice where you are. Notice how you move. Notice how calm and confident you feel. This isn't fantasy. This is mental rehearsal. Let that feeling settle. Silently affirm, I am focused. I am disciplined. I trust myself. I am already becoming the person who succeeds. Stay here for a few breaths. Let success feel normal. Step 4. Release. Now, release the image. Return your attention to your breath. This step is important. You don't cling. You don't force outcomes. You plant the seed and you let it work. Inhale slowly. Exhale fully. This is detachment, calm, clarity. Take one final deep breath. Slowly open your eyes. Notice how your body feels. Notice the quiet focus in your mind. This is what 10 minutes of training looks like. Meditation isn't about escaping life. It's about preparing for it. Do this daily, and you'll build focus, reduce anxiety, and align your mind with disciplined action. If you want more guided routines and a focused community to stay consistent, join my Skool group. The link is in the description. And don't stop here. YouTube has another video waiting for you. Click it and keep training your mind.